some fairies transformed into bats because there's boy fairies and there's girl fairies. Okay. So, Eve, what does she want to have in her party besides her friends and
Candy.
candy? Her favorite thing. She wants to have lots and lots of candy away. And the candy has to go.
Past that tree.
Okay. Let's. How about that little hill there? Is this too far?
No,
It's okay. It's okay. You want them to step on your mat, or maybe you don't mind, or you want to? Okay. So that and you touch that tree behind the scooter, and then come back. How about that? Yeah, sounds good.
Hey, Dad, please help.
I'm gonna ask him what kind of candy do you have?
No.
Oh, you shouldn't point.
No pointing.
No
Just
pointing.
say. Come on. Good. There you go. It's great to do this with you.
Cotton candy is running away. You have to catch the cotton candy.
I'm sorry you didn't get any candy today, but that's okay, right? You're not
Good
sad.
job.
You did a very good job. So, would you like to still be a buyer, or do you want to be a candy or a seller?
I want to be a seller.
Okay, we've got a new seller.
Vision.
Yep, you can come. No. This is not what the customer wants.
Ask him. What kind of candies do you have? What kind of candy do you have? I got lollipop, coconut candy, and ice cream and cotton candy,
And chocolate.
strawberry chocolate. That's it.
Okay.
Now, what do you want? What do you want? No, you don't know who it is. You don't know. You don't know who it is.
No, which candy you want?
You want cotton candy, so you have to ask him, how much is the cotton candy?
How much is the cotton candy?
Candy, go candy! He gets him. Cotton candy, where you? No, don't go there. Cotton candy always has to make it complicated. This is the seller.
We have blueberry candy, chocolate candy, strawberry candy, and lollipop candy.